Hey gang, me again. If you saw my video with the last part of the title was I got my rocks, want to look, want to see, this was the first one. You notice there are a couple of ink lines on it. In the time between when I got it and right now, as the diamond cutters are said to do, romanced the stone. They look at it, they study it, and they figure out where to cleave, how many, what shaped stones they're going to get out of it. Now, you see right here these shinier portions on the bandsaw table. I took some of that aluminum tape and I put it down here because I'm going to be cutting gemstones here. I want to try and protect the surface a bit. I mean, it's still got the original belt sander finishing marks. Okay, anyway, here we go. There we go. We have water. I see a color bar. And that's just a little chip. I mean, the best I could hope to get out of that would be a what? 2 millimeter? But my wet bandsaw works. It cuts opal. Yeah. I love it. Finally. Hey. Well, gang, I got the bandsaw running, wet, and cutting opal. Next time, I set up the cheap bench grinder flex shaft unit for people call it carving. I used to call it exploring. Anyway, good night from California. You understand? Good night. Okay.